Authority is not power. Authority is responsibility without reassurance. The higher you go, the fewer people you can explain yourself to. When you're responsible for money, for outcomes, for other people's livelihoods, your emotions become irrelevant. That's the load. Most people crave success, but they reject the weight that comes with it. At the highest levels, you don't get to ask, "What do I feel like doing?" You ask, "What must be done of it if no one agrees?" You see, leaders cannot rely on praise. They have to rely on internal standards, on measurable execution, on their own personal scorecards. If you need encouragement just to get moving, you are not ready for authority. Silence becomes your fuel, but only if you know what you're measuring. At this level, you don't outsource blame. You don't explain every single move. You certainly don't wait for permission. You decide. You absorb the consequences, and you adjust. That's what leadership is. Strong leaders don't unload their stress onto others. They compress emotion. They expand discipline. They convert pressure into structure. Your calm becomes your greatest weapon. Loneliness is not a flaw of leadership. It's the cost of clarity. If you can stand alone without collapsing, you can build anything. Most people want success with companionship. Leaders accept success with responsibility. This channel isn't for everyone, and it's not meant to be. If you're still here, you're built for this. Thanks for watching.